Today, we will talk about how to use Roundup. Let's have a look at the details. Roundup is a powerful herbicide that's great for eradicating weeds and other unwanted plants. If used incorrectly, however, the chemicals it contains could pose serious health risks. Mixing and applying Roundup. On a clear, dry day, mix 1 gallon of water and 89 to 177 milliliters of Roundup in a sprayer. Pump several times to agitate and mix evenly. Wet the leaves of unwanted plants thoroughly and wait 1 to 4 weeks for them to wilt and die off. Rinse or prune plants that get accidentally sprayed to preserve them. The first method is mixing the concentrated Roundup solution. Wait for a clear, windless day to apply the herbicide. Excess precipitation can dilute the chemicals and make them less effective. Similarly, windy conditions could cause spray to drift toward other plants that you don't want to harm. Equip yourself with the proper safety clothing. Change into some long-sleeved clothes that you don't mind getting dirty and wear thick rubber gloves to avoid getting any of the herbicide directly on your skin. Fill a tank sprayer or watering can with 1 gallon of water. Remove the top from your applicator of choice and run clean water into it from a garden hose or other nearby water source. Mix in the recommended concentration of Roundup. Follow the directions printed on the product's packaging to determine exactly how much concentrated Roundup to add. The second method is applying Roundup effectively. Wet the leaves of unwanted plants thoroughly. Spray or douse the foliage with a liberal amount of herbicide. Wash or prune plants that you spray accidentally. If you happen to get Roundup on a plant that you don't want to eliminate from your yard or garden, pour clean water over the leaves repeatedly to wash off as much of the herbicide as possible. You can also snip off the affected foliage using a pair of hand shears or scissors. Wait 1 to 4 weeks for the targeted plants to die off. Apply a more powerful product if your unwanted plants don't stay gone. Maximum strength and extended control products usually only need to be applied once a year to be effective. And the third method is storing Roundup safely. Clean out your sprayer or watering can between uses. Drain any unused herbicide into an out-of-the-way patch of dirt or gravel, where it will bind to the soil and begin deteriorating. Store your Roundup in a cool, dry place. The chemicals in Roundup will stay effective longest when kept at or around room temperature. In most cases, a garage or work shed will work just fine. Keep Roundup out of the reach of children and pets. Glyphosate can be toxic if inhaled or ingested. Dispose of your empty Roundup container outside. Dump the contents in an open patch of soil, then replace the lid and deposit the bottle in an outdoor trash receptacle a safe distance away from your home. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.